Hi friends, Helga here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a beaded jellyfish keychain. It looks so summery and has the perfect beachy vibe. Just for you, I'll be weaving this tutorial using black fishing line so you can clearly see every single step. For this jellyfish, I'm using 4mm glass rondelle beads in a single color. Mine will be light blue. I'm using a 0.25mm fishing line, but anything thinner works too. Just avoid lines that are too thick for this project. For your own keychain, make sure to use clear line, but I'm sticking to black today, so it's perfectly visible on camera. Pick up 6 glass beads and pass the other end of your line through the last bead from the opposite direction. Align the ends of the line and pull it tight right in the middle. Now, we will be weaving with only one end of the line. We'll use the other end later. Let's start the first row. On the right line, pick up 5 glass beads and pass the exact same end of the line through this very last bead from the opposite direction to form a circle. Then, pass the needle forward into the next adjacent bead. Pick up 4 glass beads on this same line and pass this end downward through the closest bead of the previous element. Now pass through one bead of the base and then through one more adjacent bead. Add 4 glass beads again and connect it downward to the previous element. Pass through 2 beads moving to the right. Repeat these actions 2 more times. Since this is already the end of the row, pass the line through one additional bead to connect it to the beginning of the row. On this same line, pick up 3 glass beads and pass the line downward so we get the final element of the row. This will create 6 circles. Now bring the line out as shown to begin the second row. Pick up 4 glass beads and pass the line downward into the bead of the adjacent circle. Now move to the left through 4 glass beads in a row. Add 4 new glass beads and pass the line downward into the adjacent bead of the previous circle. Then move to the left through 4 glass beads in a row. String 4 glass beads again. It's almost like we are taking a step backward first, and only then weaving the beads in. Repeat these steps until the end of the row. At the end of the row, it just so happens that we also pass through 4 glass beads to bring the line out for the new row. It should end up right in the middle of the circle. Let's begin the third row. Pick up 3 glass beads and send them to the right. This should close the previous row, almost like a little cap made of these beads. First, pass through 5 glass beads of this element. Then, take a step ahead by passing to the left through 5 glass beads. Don't forget to pull the line tight. At this stage, the beadwork will start taking on the voluminous 3D shape of a jellyfish. Pick up 3 glass beads. Pass the line to the right through 5 glass beads. Then, bring it out to the left through 5 beads as well. Move along the entire third row this way, adding 3 glass beads at a time. At the end of the third row, bring the line out to the next row. It needs to pass through these 3 new glass beads we just added. The fourth row is very simple. We just add 1 glass bead at a time and pass through 3 glass beads to the right. Keep moving around the circle this way. The top cap of the jellyfish is complete. Now we need to bring the line upward to the center. Just like this. Take the other long line that has been waiting its turn. Pass it downward, and we will work with that one now. Pick up 17 glass beads for the hanging tentacle, skip the very last bead, and pass the line back up through the rest of the beads in the direction of the cap. Pull it nice and tight. Pass through the top opening. This will make it easier to insert the line into the adjacent bead. Then, bring it downward again. Pick up 17 glass beads for the next tentacle, skip the last bead, and pass back up through the rest toward the cap. Pass upward into the opening, and then into the adjacent bead along the circle. Bring it downward again, and repeat this until you have made 6 hanging tentacles, because we have exactly 6 beads in the circle. To turn this into a keychain, bring the line out as shown so it sits right across from the other line end. Pick up 5 glass beads and pass through them from the opposite direction. Bring the ends out so they are right next to each other and tie 2 to 3 secure knots. Hide the knot inside the nearest glass bead. Trim off the excess ends with your wire cutters. Our beaded jellyfish keychain is complete. Let me know in the comments if everything worked out for you, and see you in the next video.